up in the air, or on the open road? That's the vacation question of the day. Picture jetting off to faraway places like Hawaii, Europe, or the Caribbean. Sometimes the sky is the only route to paradise. But what if your adventure is a little closer to home? From New York to California, a flight could save you precious time. However, for trips like Texas to Nevada, a bus or train could be your ticket to savings. Keep in mind, driving isn't always the budget-friendly choice it seems. Hidden costs like gas, maintenance, and car rentals can add up. On longer trips, flying might just be kinder to your wallet. But here's a thought. If your destination is a hop, skip, and a jump away, why not hit the road? For the road trip lovers out there, the journey is half the fun. Bottom line, if you're tackling vast distances or are short on time, take to the skies. For shorter, budget-friendly adventures, the road is your oyster. Stay tuned to Vacation Advertiser for more travel tips and tricks. Your next adventure is just around the corner.